everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm changing the battery in my key fob. It's completely dead. I tried to recharge the key fob by driving, but it just won't charge at all, so it's time to replace it. I'm gonna go to Target and hopefully successfully change the battery. So stay tuned. Oh, and then this boo-boo on my face, I hit myself on the shelf on the wall the other day, so please don't look at it. Also, I cut my hair. It's short, but it's growing pretty quickly. My hair was pretty damaged, so I needed a fresh start. But it's finally getting a little warmer up here in Michigan, so I'll be vlogging more and doing more things to my car, so I'm super excited for that. Yeah, so hopefully I can change the battery and finally use the key fob to open my car again, because I had to manually open the car with the actual key. It was not fun. So yeah, wish me luck. Okay, I got my battery 2032, my screwdriver, and my key. Let's do this. Oh, and this keychain is available in my store, beamerandles.com. So pretty. It's like a laser crystal keychain. So I was able to successfully change the battery on this key fob. What I did was actually try and see if the car would open with the new battery on the key fob, but it still didn't. And when I tried to unlock it or lock it, it just wouldn't open. So what you have to do is actually put the key fob inside the car and start it, and then take it out and see if it works, because that's what I had to do.